Virgo. So magandang araw po sa mga kapatid nating OFW. Welcome po sa Scorp's Work Tarot. So ang reading po natin ay para sa September 1 to 7. Yes? So knock Virgo. So another weekend po. Weekend. So recharge mode po tayo. Yes? So, OFW din po ako kaya I'm close to the OFW. Alam natin yung alam ko po yung mga pinagdadaanan yan, mga OFW na tuloy pa rin ng nakikibaka sa ibang bansa na katulad ko. So, shout out po kayo kung nasaan man tayong lugar ng daigdig. Hope everybody is doing well. So, yes. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Kung meron mang nanonood. So, weekend. Katatapos ko lang mag-laundry. Another weekend to chillax. Ano po yung plano ninyo? So, news. Magkape po tayo. Magkape. So, anong kaganapan sa bansa natin sa Pilipinas? News about mga baha at mga construction work ng mga DPWH. Yes, so sitting on your foundation solid, very independent si Virgo. Tama ba? Yan ba yung energy ni Virgo this week? Solid, happy, maganda yung trabaho. Yan, nakasettle na. Yan ang mga mode na okay na ako. Maski na naglalakad sa bahay yung nasa Pilipinas. Wala na akong dyan. Wala na akong problema. Yes. Ganyan. Minsan ganyan din ako. I have to admit it. Kasi kung yung mga nakikita kong naglalakad sa kalye na yan ng baha, pinagdaanan ko rin po yan. Kolehiyo pa, naglalakad na ako sa baha. So, despite that, medyo, pa rin si Leo, close to your heart yung, accomplishment, yung tipong very private, at the same time, you know where to put your heart and your money, but mostly tipid mode at the same time. Practicality. Alam mo na not every day is a heyday or future yung iniisip. Ayan siya, nag-iisip siya kung ano naman yung bibili niyang lupain. Tama ba? Makapal yung bulsa eh. So we should always think about our future as well. I consider this Four of Pentacles as somebody na talagang thrifty, pero hindi siya thrifty na alam niyang gumastos, alam niya yung practical na gastusin. Hindi to maluho. Maluho na alam mo yung dapat pagluhuan. Yes, tama ba, Virgo? So tingnan natin. So very settled yung energy ni Virgo. It's all about making more wealth, building your foundation, looking forward to dry season. Not every day is rainy season, or farmers kailangan ng rainy season para magtanim. Yeah, okay. Yes. So very practical yung energy. Looking forward to. So after ng hard work at ng achievements, whatever itong achievement. Again, relative yung achievement. Ano ba yung consider mong success? Iba-iba tayo ng definition yan eh. But on the hindsight, alam mo kung saan mo gagamitin niya ang pinagpaguran mo. And you always look forward to the future. Meron ka pa rin hinihintay. Hindi ka tipong present moment ang iniisip mo. Parang nakikita ko rito na gagawin mo yung dapat mong gawin. Ano lang yan, kasama yan sa diskarte. Pero meron ka pang gustong buksan para sa'yo. Yun. Kumbaga sa kailangan mong gawin yung dapat mong gawin sa trabaho, yung responsibilidad mo, pero at the same time, you're also looking forward to something deeper and meaningful. Meron pang journey. Ito yung mga typical na in their early stage of their career. Okay? Very alam nila, pero alam gumastos at the same time. So, ito yung hinihintay mo. New opportunity. Ano ba yung opportunity na hinihintay mo? Nandiyan na. September 1 to 7, Virgo. Meron ka pang hinihintay Meron ka pang passion na hindi maaring new or gusto mo pang palawakin. I can see expansion. Dahil nasaktan ka na in the past. You've been through a situation na wala. Wala as in kung ano yung pinanggalingan na yun, it's just teach you some lesson. Meron kang tinapos. It's a painful process. Ayan Hindi biro itong pinagdaanan ni Virgo. Meron bang ganyan, Virgo? Painful. Yung kumbaga sana hinimay-himay na na yung parte ng yung emosyon ay talagang hindi lang iyak itong naramdaman mo na ito. It's a complete unexplained pain na is this happening? I'm not so sure kung pinagdaanan or you're undergoing that one despite all the successes. But most likely this was the thing of the past, and you have a support group. Is it your husband, or there was an opportunity that came in? Tipong sa negosyo, ito yung sumablay, and then you work hard for it. Meron kang another eureka moment here. Another eureka moment. But you're also looking forward to something expansive. Kung ano man yung pinag-ipunan mo, there was hurt before. Gusto mo lang naman ng balance. Kung ano yung binigay mo, what you sow is what you reap. Sabi nga, that's the balance. The balance. What is fair? Or you want to venture into charity? You want to give something because sobra-sobra yung mo, or meron ka pang tinutulungan. It can have three ways ito. Kung ikaw yung nasa receiving end, somebody came in. Yung hinihintay mo na yon, dumating na the balance that you've been waiting for. So yung reward, kung dating ikaw yung nagbibigay na sobra-sobra, kumbaga sa trabaho, ikaw yung palagi gumagawa, dumating yung time na somebody is giving you help, or yung mga tinulungan mo in the past. That's another development. Or after na lahat ng pinagpaguran mo, na ani mo yung what you need to anihin, You want to expand your horizon and you're waiting for that one kasi meron kang bagong direction na tina-target. And it's all coming from the reason why you've learned those life lessons because of the past lessons na experience mo. Nabigyan ka rin ng opportunity. I think somebody gave you opportunity. Again, the different scenario, situation. Somebody gave you an opportunity and you want to give back. Yes. So, alam mo yung value yung pinaghirapan and you know how it meant na to go through the same situation sa ibang tao or in your surrounding. It can be family or it can be a close friend or you just want to give back. Kasi merong opportunity na who is flowing. Very karmic. I consider this Six of Coin as a karmic. It has the infinity symbol. Very karmic. So yung nga sinasabi na what you reap, what you sow, kung anong itinanim, yun din ang aanihin. So you just want to pay back because you're expecting something more, yung greater abundance, ika nga. Kasi na-master mo na yung yung how to deal with the situation. You've gone through the pain and you rise from that situation. There was unfair treatment towards you o ikaw to and you want to take it back. Kung tipong ikaw yung nasa receiving end and now you're the one who is on the giving end. Kung naagrabyado ka, this is the time for you to yung reckoning na tinatawag, yung paghusga and the justice is on your side. Hindi mo to natanggap because ganun lang to. It's not something easy. I think you work hard for that to achieve this one. Ito yung past mo. Yes, meron bang ganyan, Virgo? Is that nagre-resonate ba? And you if you're in the stage of fighting for what is rightfully yours, kung ano yung nakakarapat dapat sa iyo, put it this way, kung sa trabaho na-terminate ka, it can happen. Tama po ba? Ay, naranasan ko din yan. And unjust yung treatment. Pero hindi ka lang nanahimik. I mean, hindi ka you fought for what is rightfully yours. And ito, dalawang effect na itong death card na ito, itong rebirth na ito. It's a rebirth because you've learned from that painful past, yung sa nakaraan mo, hindi ka naupo lang at nag-iiyak. Dumating yung sitwasyon na you stand up on what you believe in, and lucky, it's either true luck. Well, it's not only true luck actually, merong hard work ito, and kasama na rin yung suporta. Something came in na give you a second opportunity. It's all about second opportunity, and you took that opportunity walang excuse. Hindi dumating opportunity, ginrab mo yun, and now you want to return back that favor. That teaches you a lesson also. So you're looking forward to a new beginning again. Yes? Meron bang ganyan, Virgo? This is a sana all energy. Because the justice is on your favor. Ayan, no, yung sakit na naranasan mo, pinaglabanan mo yan, hindi ka makarating sa ganyang situation kung hindi ka nagtipid. I mean, again, yung definition ng pagtitipid hindi madali yun. Kumbaga sa pinagkasya mo para lang to survive on your own, independently ka, you don't have that much resources, maybe enough for you to progress to the next level or the next stage, and you've been doing that na yung practicality. Pero yung ginagawa mo na yon, that's the something bigger na inihintay mo. At kung ano man yung hinihintay mo na yon, because of this process of the karmic of the law of karma, despite that, nagtuloy ka pa rin ng pagtulong because you believe that by doing so, pag ginagawa mo yun, na on the hindsight, hindi ka actually, I don't see na nag-expect ka eh. You don't expect anything. Meron pang mas bigger. Because yung nakaraan mo na yun na talagang painful past, somebody gave you an opportunity and then you fight for what you believe in is correct. Tinuloy mo lang yun. Kung ano yung mga mundane routine, trabaho, whatsoever, tuloy ang buhay, ika nga. At ngayon dumating na naman yung bagong panimula. Because itong sanay ka sa transformation eh. I think it's a multiple multiple past experiences na nagbigay sa'yo ng life lesson to transform yourself. Okay, and palagi kang yung energy mo to succeed, nandiyan palagi sa sa sarili mo. This one is a very strong one, Virgo. Meron bang ganyan, Virgo? Again, yung transformation can be maliit o malaki, ha? Depende po yan sa ating timeline. Tignan natin kung ano pa yung hinahanap ni Virgo na yan. Curious lang ako. Makichismis tayo. Wait, gamitin ko yung isang card. Tignan natin. Kung hinihintay mo pa itong bagong darating na ito, nandyan na siya, sumusungaw-sungaw na. Ayan, oh. Messenger, may darating na message. Kung sa negosyo, or bagong invention, let's just put it, bagong invention. Nandyan na yung nanggaling sa iyan merong toxicity somehow and some negative energy. Is it in the past? Kaya that helps you to dalawa yung effect ng ng problema minsan It's either matalo ka dahil sa nandiyan yung mga nalululong sa negbisyo, correct? Kasi hindi nakayanan pero ikaw hindi. Pero ikaw mo siya ginamit mo yung naramdaman mong sakit into positive energy. Nagkaroon ka ng meron patapos na yung cycle na merong effect pa yung pain somehow sa iyo. I think so. Pero tuloy pa rin yung laban. It's a good example ng mga warrior. Correct? Nasugatan na. Pero tuloy pa rin yung laban. Hindi lang yung puso ang nasugatan dito. Yeah. Na to? It's a superlative type of pain, and meron kang pinutol din doon. Maraming tinamaan. Meron maganyan, Virgo. Sa super ka talaga, nag-focus ka na lang sa career, pero hindi mo in-acknowledge mo yung I think that's the right word. In-acknowledge mo yung pinagdaanan mo. Tipong ayaw mo nang bumalik doon. Meron bang ganyan, Virgo? Okay, tingnan natin. Kuha pa ako ng few more cards. Tingnan natin kung meron pang message ang tarot. Shout out po ang mga OFW. So, if it resonates, so kwentuhan po, magkape. Let's not take it too serious. Tingnan natin. Virgo, September 1 to 7. You waited for that justice. Okay, tingnan natin. Yes. Ayan na siya, oh. Merong continuation to, ending na from 9 to 10. There was a huge transformation. Kung ano man yung biggest transformation na hinihintay mo, darating na siya. Darating na siya. September 1 to 7. September. Is it September 10? Because 9 is September 10 or October 9. Yeah, so check out. Yung message, you're also waiting for a message or ikaw ang decision. Meron kang decisionan dito. Meron kang gustong desisyonan. Not so sure kung itong desisyon na to nangyari na o ikaw ang naghihintay o ikaw ang gagawa. Yes, because there's a movement here, expansion. You want to, hindi ka makaalis. Meron pang, may after effect pa ito. But you have all those support. Kung baga sa tipong magtatayo ka ng negosyo, you fail, nandiyan na yung bank loan or yung financing. Kung ikaw ay natanggal sa trabaho, naghanap ka, marami kang tinipid na dapat mong tipirin, nakaraos ka doon, dumating na yung opportunity. Okay? You have the justice. You have two justice here. I consider this also as a justice one. Justice is all about fairness, correct? Ayan, no? Kung ano yung binigay, kung ano yung sinukli, kung ano yung, di ba? Yeah, and it's justice, the balance of, weighing scale. At you need to decide on something or hinihintay mong decision. Because there's a new thing coming in. Papunta ka na doon. Mag-a-abroad ka ba ulit? O tumawag sa yung dati mong boss or kumpanya. Yeah. So it different po sa scenario natin. But you're waiting for something and you just transform yourself. Change of mindset. Change of... It's a major shift. Yung universe na rin ang gumawa ng paraan para makaalis ka dito sa na ito. Kung ano man yung sakit na naramdaman mo na ito. Yes? So, it's a positive energy, Virgo. Kuha lang ako ng isang card, oracle card, Virgo. Tignan natin kung ano pa yung message for Virgo. Virgo, dalawa. Okay? Tignan natin. Message ng moon. Okay, yung isang message, sabi dito ay put aside emotional concerns and focus on achieving or increasing financial security. Magaling kang humawak ng pera. And yan na Focus on achieving or increasing financial security. Alam mo kung paano mo hawakan yung kabuhayan. Kasi alam mo yung mahirap eh. Yes? I know how it feels as well. Ito pa yung isa pa. Sabi niya, spend time with family or helping others. Yan daw, helping others. Avoid situation that can be a drain on your emotion. Emotion, nakaka-drain. Again, yung mga negative vibe. Yan, iwasan mo muna. Iwasan. Yes? Iwasan. So, you're still healing. I think you're still healing in the healing process. You're still in the healing process, Virgo. Okay? So, Virgo, salamat. September 1 to 7. So, enjoy po. Have a great weekend.